If you're inviting a guest to your office, you want the process to be as simple as possible, right? Even if you're not the host. We are improving how visits are created in Rico Spaces, including who they can be created by and how the host is assigned. Now, everybody will have the ability to access the visitor section by using the visitor icon in the left-hand menu. And now, any user creating a visit from the feed will be able to add new members and assign them as hosts or organizers for that visit. Previously, when creating a visit from the feed, the host was automatically set to be the person who created it, with no option to add or change hosts or organizers. But now we are giving you full control. Now with this update, the signed in user who is creating the visit is still automatically assigned as the host by default, but now this can be changed. You can add other people to the visit and give them the role of host or organizer. If you give them the role of host, you can change your own role to organizer or remove yourself from that visit entirely. Let me show you exactly how this works. So I'm going to start from the 3D map in Rico Spaces, and I'm going to use the feed in the right hand side here and open up visits. Now I've currently not got any visits created in the system, so let's create a new one. So we'll start by hitting create a visit, and then we can fill out the relevant fields. So I am going to start looking for in fact, here we go. Because I have put this visitor in before and they've been saved, it's come up as a suggested visitor. So I'll add this person in, and then here in this host section, so you can see how it has automatically made me the host by default. However, if I bring my colleague in now, I've been able to add another host. Now, if I wanted them to help out with this visit, I could just make them an organizer. However, this guest coming in might be just to see my colleague, therefore I'm going to make them the host. And while I could make myself an organizer, I'm actually going to remove myself from this meeting, and then I can create this visit. Now, if I go into the feed and check my visits again, we'll see that there's nothing there, because even though I created that visit, I removed myself from it, so it's no longer my guest coming in, so they won't be included in this section. Users with visitor management access will be able to go into the visitor section and find other people's bookings. So if I look at this week, I can see that this guest that I created earlier is coming in, but their host is Theo. It's not for me. This update also extends to room bookings. So when creating a visit from a scheduled meeting or from the map, users will no longer face any restrictions when it comes to assigning hosts on behalf of others. Now, visits can be created seamlessly even if the room booking was created for another user. This feature is live and ready to use today. So if you're creating visits and want to assign a different host, you can try it now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.